Ever wondered how those little boxes in your room can fill the air with music, voices, and explosions from your favorite movies? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're diving deep into how speakers generate sound. At the heart of every speaker is a device called a transducer, something that converts one form of energy into another. In this case, it converts electrical energy into mechanical vibrations, which then become sound waves. The process starts with the audio signal, an alternating electrical current that represents the music or voice. This signal is sent to a voice coil, a tightly wound wire sitting inside the magnetic field of a permanent magnet. When the current flows through the coil, the changing direction of electricity creates an electromagnetic field that constantly pushes and pulls against the permanent magnet. This back-and-forth motion makes the voice coil move rapidly. Attached to the voice coil is a diaphragm, often a cone-shaped surface made of lightweight material like treated paper, polymers, or even carbon fiber. As the voice coil moves, it drags the diaphragm with it. This diaphragm vibrates, pushing and compressing air molecules in front of it, then pulling them back, creating alternating areas of high and low pressure. Those pressure variations travel through the air as sound waves. The frequency of vibration controls pitch. Fast vibrations make high notes, slow vibrations make bass. The strength of the vibration, or amplitude, determines how loud it sounds. Speakers are carefully engineered to handle different parts of the sound spectrum. Woofers are large cones that move a lot of air to produce deep bass tones. Tweeters are tiny but very quick, handling high frequencies like cymbals or vocals. Mid-range drivers fill in the middle where most instruments and voices lie. To split these frequencies correctly, a circuit called a crossover directs bass to the woofer, treble to the tweeter, and mids to the mid-range driver. Without this, the sound would be muddy and distorted. Even the speaker box or enclosure plays a vital role. A sealed enclosure keeps the sound tight and accurate, while a ported or bass reflex design allows air to move through tuned openings to reinforce low frequencies, giving you that extra punch. Some advanced designs even use passive radiators, extra diaphragms without voice coils to enhance bass by resonating with the internal air movement. Modern speakers go further with technologies like digital signal processing, DSP, wireless amplification, and materials engineered for minimal distortion. Yet at the core, the principle remains the same: magnets, coils, and air molecules dancing together to bring sound to life. So next time you press play, remember, what you're hearing isn't just music, it's an orchestra of magnets, coils, and air in motion. If you enjoy uncovering the fascinating science hidden inside everyday technology, don't forget to subscribe, because here at Knowledge Hub, we turn complex ideas into clear and captivating stories. And as always, stay curious.